SCP-1038 Object Class Safe Special Containment Procedures SCP-1038 is to be kept in a locked storage container within Site-17 Audio-Visual Department, with keypad combination in possession of Research Director. Due to the nature of the object's effects, O5 level approval has been granted for SCP-1038's non-experimental, recreational use on a weekly basis for all site personnel on Fridays from 1930 to 2230 hours, using previously tested content. Description: SCP-1038 is an audio-visual cable measuring 6.096 meters in length, with both ends terminating in 3 standard RCA connector plugs, color-coded for composite video and stereo audio. There are no markings on the connectors or cable to indicate the manufacturer or further specifications of the cable. The cable's properties manifest when it is plugged into a television or monitor and a media player, VCR, DVD, streaming media device, etc. While the device plays the selected content, the television will instead display what can be best described as an alternate reality version. As of 11/23/2011, SCP-1038 has displayed content from redacted distinct realities. Refer to Addendum 1038-B for a brief experiment summary. The means by which this effect is generated is unknown, as tests have shown no anomalous power draws from the connected devices, changes in area radiation, or data expunged. SCP-1038 appears to exhibit awareness regarding the information being passed through it. Should the selected content not exist in the alternate reality the cable connects to, SCP-1038 will instead play a closest match. A VHS recording of a football game might instead show a gladiatorial fight. At the same time, the object will also only ever show one alternate version for the particular medium. All DVD copies of a film will play the same alternate, which is in turn different from the VHS copies of the movie. It is unknown if this is a sign of intelligence, or if the data already exists on the storage media. Addendum 1038-A Recovery Report SCP-1038 came to the attention of the Foundation after a October 19 redacted incident at Redacted Elementary School in Oregon, in which a teacher attempted to show a recording of a cable in the classroom documentary to her 4th grade class. The recorded documentary was about the Great Pyramid, but the viewed content was data expunged. During the ensuing arrests, firings, and lawsuits, Foundation agents took custody of the AV equipment used in the incident. Components testing revealed that SCP-1038 showed anomalous properties. Purchase of the cable was not recorded in any district expense reports. Addendum 1038-B Partial Experimentation Log Medium VHS Content Schindler's List Results: SCP-1038 was plugged not into a television, but a recording device. Recorded output did not deviate in any way from the film. We've run this experiment several times with different players and media, with the same results. We are now confident that the object requires a connection to a TV in order to view the alternate. Research Director. Medium VHS Content History of the World Part 1 Results: a documentary apparently close in line with our own history. Due to the thoroughness of the film, Part 1 only covers the dawn of the Neolithic. Test terminated after 92 minutes when the VHS tape stopped playing. Alternate version was in the middle of a segment explaining Neolithic culture. Media DVR recording. Device provided by a research assistant. Content: 2010 NCAA Football National Championship. Results: complete football game but featuring schools data expunged. A portion of the halftime show reveals that teams were selected using a playoff format. Medium DVD RW Content: recording of children playing at Redacted Park. confiscated from an agent. Results: children played around a statue of Redacted. Plaque on the base calls him the hero of racial purity. Medium: previous tests DVD RW from agent. Content: content of previous test overwritten with tourist video of the Washington Monument and Lincoln Memorials. Results: statue of Redacted similar to the one seen in previous test, but approximately 130 meters tall, seen in place of Washington Monument. Lincoln Memorial seems to have suffered blast damage and has not yet been repaired. Data overwrite apparently only affects viewed content. Alternate reality content remains unchanged. Medium: DVD. Content: box set of seasons 1 and 2 of Sliders. Results: no changes. Results of frame-by-frame analysis pending. Medium: DVD RW. Content: collection of footage of Earth and our position in the universe, overlaid with greetings in all known languages. Similar to the golden records carried by the Voyager probes. Results: an apparently similar message. Of approximately 2,000 verbal greetings, the only languages recognized are Ugaritic, which is possibly Proto-Minoan, a form of Old Chinese, and Hittite. Further, all individuals seen in the footage appear to be data expunged. Permission for further communication attempts pending.